the knowledge wise also, and the way the sir cover the topics, his teaching skills. I learned lot of tricks from him, how to make the session playful and interesting, and not a single day and not a single time, even after the heavy lunch sessions, not anyone, nobody was like sleepy or nothing, more sessions were there. Everything was so good, very well planned, and I really thank for such a very enhancing and knowledgeable session today I attended. Personally, thanks to Momin sir, and it was a very excellent experience for me, and I would like to be in his touch for my future also, for my students' benefit also. I would like to thank AMT Skill Enhancement Institute for providing such a nice infrastructure for all of us. We enjoyed the food, we enjoyed the hospitality, we enjoyed the facility, and we enjoyed interaction with all of you. First time I am coming here, but it is really a very good experience for me, and I thank everyone and for everything. Thank you.
आधी GD&T वापरायचं जस्ट इतरांच्या ड्रॉइंग बघायच्या आणि त्यानुसार एक कसं काय घेतलं असं नाही, फक्त विचार करायचा. आज ते बऱ्यापैकी समजलं कसं घ्यायचं.
So in today's class, we have for the GD&T, and the success of our faculty that I got 23 marks. So it is not my success, it is his success, because right from the beginning he was telling us it is not our test, it is his test. So naturally whatever we have done, so credit goes to him. Second point is, now my age is 61. At this stage, for 2 days, I didn't have to give a single effort. So that was a success of that I didn't have to do any effort to keep up. So his presentation, his style, his explanation was in such a way that he got me riveted to the subject. So thank you.
So as I attended this class, really before this class, when I was supposed to see the drawings, I was supposed to run away from it. The way sir starts, actually I'm really thankful to Mr. Momin sir. From bottom of my heart, you started from what is the requirement in GD&T?
मी जस्ट GET म्हणून हिंदुस्थान हार्डली नवीन डिझाईन इंजिनियर. सो जेव्हा मला कळलं की GD&Tचं ट्रेनिंग होणार आहे आणि सर घेणार आहे, सरांना मी आधी एक ऑनलाईन सेशनमध्ये बघितलं होतं, आणि तेव्हा जस्ट 2 तासाच्या तेव्हा मला एक अंदाज आलं की आपल्याला हे करावं लागेल, हे शिकावं लागेल, कारण हे पूर्ण वर्किंग याच्यात मला कामात येणार आहे. आणि जेव्हा हे 2 दिवसाचं पूर्ण ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट झाला, तर तेव्हा खरोखरच असं वाटतं आहे की आता GD&Tबद्दल मला आयडिया आलेली आहे, माझ्यात काय स्किल्स डेव्हलप व्हायच्या होत्या झालेल्या आहे, आणि आता मी त्याचा पुरेपूर वापर माझ्या वर्किंग लाईफमध्ये करून ॲज अ डिझाईन इंजिनियर म्हणून मी परफेक्ट काम करू शकतो. त्याबद्दल सरांचं खूप थँक्यू. आणि
It was a very interesting session for us, and thank you all for attending.
क्वालिटी इंजिनियर म्हणून काम करतो, आणि जिथं मी CMA वापर पण करतो, तिथं GD&Tचा खूप संबंध येतो. मला फक्त बेसिक माहिती होती, आणि आता म्हणजे GD&T कुठं आणि कसं वापरायचं, CMA प्रोग्राम बनवायला कसं वापरायचं, ते चांगल्या प्रकारे आता मी वापर करू शकतो GD&Tचा. बस थँक्यू सर.